Say hello to Nikki, a scientist interested in developing novel ferromagnetic nickel-based coating materials. Nikki is a part of NICKEFFECT, an EU-funded project that aims to replace the scarce and costly platinum and ensure high efficiency in key applications such as renewable energy, electric mobility, and digital technologies. The 48-month project is led by a multidisciplinary team composed of 12 partners from 7 different EU and Horizon Europe associated countries and covers stakeholders of the whole project value chain: scientific and technology developers, technology providers, end users, as well as transversal partners. NICKEFFECT will develop and bring to the market new solutions and tools for materials and process modeling, as well as for decision-making criteria to support the European industry. Among several impacts the project will create, its main objectives are to synthesize ferromagnetic coating materials to replace platinum as raw material, develop measures to ensure that the materials are affordable, durable, and with increased corrosion resistance for the different working environments, successfully upscale production process in pilot plant to coat real-scale components, ensure a safe and sustainable by-design approach and define pathways for the recovery, recyclability, purification, and reuse of materials at the end of the product's life. Develop decision support tools to facilitate the adoption of safe and sustainable criteria when designing and producing metallic coatings free of PGMs.